And to the flooding disaster across the country, the National Emergency Management Agency has promised to provide relief for members of communities affected by flooding in Sokoto State. Officials of the agency revealed this to newsmen during an on-the-spot assessment visit to some of the communities. We have details in this report.
Over the last 2 weeks, most parts of Nigeria have experienced increased rainfall. The increase in the volume of rainfall has resulted in flooding in many communities. Gwaranyo, Gada, Silame, Binji, Wamako, Wolno, Uraba, and part of Sokoto metropolis experienced flooding, with many communities recording huge losses in farm produce. To assess the level of damage done by the floods, officials of the National Emergency Management Agency visited affected communities.
I see thousands of people were affected in this flood disaster. And we are going to write or forward the comprehensive record of this to our headquarters in Abuja for relief assistance.
The farm crops and what we see or hear from them, they are in need of relief materials or relief assistance, especially to conduct dry season farming and what they can get from the government to as a suko.
In Binji, the sole administrator of the local government asked for quick intervention to assist people of his local government that suffer losses on their farmland.
Useful items like mattresses, blanket, and some useful items like wrappers and mosquito net and some necessary items.
These agriculturists want the federal and state government to encourage rural farmers to embrace insurance policies that will help them mitigate damages arising from unforeseen circumstances such as this flood.
NEMA itself to serve as a bridge between the government and our farmers, so that they work together to attach them with that insurance company, so that in case of this type of episode, it is easy to assist them.
Several thousands of farmlands were washed away in most of the affected communities, and officials of the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, are considering appropriate interventions that will lessen the burden of the losses on affected communities.